How to log in to Meezan Bank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Meezan Bank online banking account. For this, you want to open the Meezan banking app on your device. If you don't have this application, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, search for Meezan Bank mobile app, then this is the application that you want to install on your device. For that, tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, you simply want to open the app. Now, logging in is a very simple process. All you want to do is tap on the username option. Now, go ahead and enter your username. If you want your username to be remembered, check the box that says remember username. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on the forgot username option over here. Now you will have to enter your debit card number. Then you will have to enter your ATM PIN. After that, tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your username. After you have entered your username, tap on the password option and then enter your password. Tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. Here as well, you will have to enter your debit card number and ATM PIN. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Once you have entered both of these details, tap on the login option. If the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into Meezan Bank online banking account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.